and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. Tell me, what is the present hour? A green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits, gathering its power to mount and fly away. And what is the future, happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea, stretching into infinity.
Now that we have heard the poem, past, present, future, let us try to understand it line-wise. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. An autumn evening, soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. In the opening stanza, the poet Emily Bronte asks the child who is smiling what the past is like to thee, that is, the child. The child replies that the past is like an autumn evening, soft and mild, meaning moderately warm, not very cold, with a wind that sighs mournfully, meaning sadly. Thus, the past for the child is something that she remembers with longing and a little sadness. The child's reference to past as an autumn evening, soft and mild, gives the reader a sense that the child has had a peaceful life so far. But the phrase, with a wind that sighs mournfully, also gives the reader a sense that within the child's peaceful past, she has also suffered through hard times. The falling of leaves and the mournful sigh of the wind convey that the child is unhappy because the past has passed and she cannot go back to it. Tell me, what is the present hour? A green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits gathering its power to mount and fly away. In the second stanza, the poet Emily Bronte further asks the child her opinion of the present. The child replies that the present is like springtime, with a green and flowery spray, meaning branch of plant bearing flowers on which a young bird sits, gathering its power, meaning strength, to mount, meaning get up, and fly away. Thus, the present for the child is full of possibilities and something that she wants to take chances in. She's gathering her strength and looking forward to head into the world. And what is the future, happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea, stretching into infinity. In the last stanza, the poet Emily Bronte asks the happy child about the future. To this, the child replies that the future is like the unknown vast sea that has stretched far and wide under the bright sun in a cloudless sky. The sea is mighty, meaning very powerful, glorious and dazzling, meaning shining brightly, and it stretches into infinity, meaning stretches on without an end. Thus, we cannot see the end of a sea, and the child associates this imagery with future. According to her, the future is magnificent, exciting, and mysterious, and she's keen on exploring it.